For avid golf enthusiasts, the Canary Islands offer a compelling draw, and those visiting Puerto Rico will be pleased to discover a nearby golf course. What sets this golfing experience apart is the option to stay in one of the on-site villas, providing unparalleled convenience for those making golf the focal point of their Gran Canaria holiday. Beyond the allure of well-designed fairways, the golf course boasts a truly unbeatable feature: the breathtaking panoramic views. The stunning vistas enhance the overall experience, making it a destination where the joy of golf is complemented by the beauty of the surrounding landscape, ensuring that a return visit is almost inevitable.